So we have some new products in Pulse, that is the Mortise lock PL304S. This is the Mortise lock which we can use in the doors with the Mortise handle. Here you can see the slot for the Mortise handle, and this is the slot for the cylinder to lock the door. And it's having the zinc body and front plate in the 304 grade stainless steel, and it's suitable with the aluminium doors. Here is the dimension. All the dimensions are here. The length of this Mortise lock is 240, and the width of this Mortise lock is 36, and the dia for the slotting is the up to started from the 3 to 5.5. And this is the lock cylinder PL304C, that is also cylinder is suitable with this Mortise lock, you can say. It's we can adjust this cylinder in this Mortise lock. It's slot according to this cylinder only. So these are the extra accessories which we can use in the doors with Mortise lock.